stay in. Welcome to my house. Baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't.
Hello guys, sorry for the late start, but it's 1-0, and I figured we might as well start now! No! We cannot get scored on right when the video starts now! Oh no, that's a baller, you're a lifesaver. I'm like Cade Orama over here.
Yeah, Cade won't even give me his Takumi.
No! Yes!
Got 2 epic saves in a row, sit down.
Centering.
I see that.
Faked.
Oh,
Oh.
nice save.
Oh crap.
Kate, get ball. I got back.
I'll get it.
I need the ball.
Nice. Here, I got it. That's a goal. Should be. Hit it in it. Oh.
That was close. Hit too far to the right.
No. Oh. I'll play it off wall.
Alright, I'll play back. Alright, Kate's got back.
Okay.
Oh, I got goalie.
Oh. Cade, if you want me to play goalie, just let me know. I'll play goalie.
Goalie right now.
Well, Justin doesn't need both of us, so... Crap, I mean, Baller! Baller doesn't need both of us! I didn't say anything, I said Baller.
We'll be done in 5 minutes.
We'll be done in 5 minutes. Yes,
Yeah, guys, you guys
yes,
might have
ball.
to do some doubles. I gotta get out of here after this.
Okay. Come on, Orama, we can win 2 more. Yes, Orama.
Oh, nice save. Oh my gosh! Ah. Oh my gosh, Kate, you scared me.
That's my fault. I'll blame it. I'm sorry.
I believe after this. Kate, if we don't win this, then you not give me your Takumi. If we do, you have to.
No.
It could have froze then, you idiot.
Guys, I'm dried. But I can still do stuff. Guys, centered. Ah. These guys know what they're doing.
They're in the lobby.
Center.
Like us.
Oh, it's centered for an aerial.
Watch out.
Yes!
Yes, do it.
What? How is that not an aerial goal? Bull crap! I should get an aerial goal for that. It's BS. Great pass though.
Yeah, so many people try. I'm staying back.
I'll go.
Backward slip.
Oh no. Getting boost. Got it. Okay, he's gonna hit it. Oh god, I'm going back. Ow!
Was that an epic save? Tell me that was an epic save.
It wasn't, it should have been.
Come on, Dylan. We need to win this with a Takumi.
No! Kate! Yes! Hit it down there! Get there! Yes!
Proud of you, Dylan.
Yes! Great pass, the Wolf! I was trying to get down. Get down there, you! See, someone killed me right when that happened, too. They're salty. I'll defend.
Who was going for that one? No one. I'm trying to let you get to
I have final kill! Where's my kill cam at, game? Woo!
46
Look at my dark matter, boys.
Does anyone see how many cars I bumped?
guys, we'll see you on
Alright,
doubles.
guys.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing competitive solo duels right now because well, Baller and Cade had to go, so, but that ain't gonna stop me today of doing competitive, and we're still going for our 3 wins. We already got 1 as a team. Now it's time for me to finish what we all started. We got a pro, so should be easy. Today, well played, my friend. Well played. This is why I don't rush, but it's okay. It's only 1 goal. Alright, guys. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't realize from the beginning of the video, or by the title, the car I'm using right now is my new car. Because you can, literally, you guys can check it every other Rocket League video. I never had the Dominus GT before. Oh my god, well let's go. Okay. Sorry guys. Just getting a little mad right now. There you go. Making the comeback already. Oh yeah guys, and I also got a new Trail Nut shirt if you guys seen it last video. It's called Toon Smoke. But yeah. So let's make this comeback. So I'm going to finish what we all started. Get balled, son. Patience is key. Getting back into my tactic. You let your opponent screw up themselves. You don't want to rush. Well, I'm just saying that one was lucky. But still, 3-2. We got this. Oh no. It's okay. Just calm. Peace. Calm. No! It's so stupid. I hate the ball. It's okay though. I rushed. That's what I get for pit. That's what I suffer for the consequences. Still, we got this. There you go. Like that. Everything's going back to normal, guys. So, guys, if you guys want any recommendations for, like, a new video, like, I am not gonna possibly do GTA right now because because every time I want to, like, none of my friends are on, and what I usually do is kind of boring. Like, I wouldn't even say video worthy of. The bald son. He's got bald. But yeah, like I did just get Roblox. I still don't really know how to play. But I'm gonna try to get some friends to get it. Like my one friend actually got me into it. And then I do plan on making a new series called Slime Rancher. I think some YouTubers already made this, but the alpha mode though. So the full one's out. So yeah, if you guys don't know what it is or have played it, well, if you have played it, guys, if I need help, I would love for you guys in the comments to help me out. Like if I get confused about something, or like I don't understand, like I would love the help, but I'll know. But that is for a future video. So yeah, guys, and also it's almost St. Patrick's Day, so I'm not sure if Rocket League is making limited editions for that. It has for Halloween and Christmas and New Year's, so who knows? But I will try to make a Patrick's Day special. So, and I believe that is a Friday, so I believe it will be with Cade. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to Cade Arama yet, then I think you guys should. Like, he has only been posting, like, he posted like one Rocket League video and then the rest were Overwatch, but still, like, I can't complain at all because I've been recording Rocket League for so far, but the beginning of this reason was because I couldn't make longer than a 10-minute video, and Rocket League was the shortest thing I could think of. But I am trying to do other things. It's just that my friends don't have, like, the games I want to play, or, like, are not on at the time. But I am trying to avoid Rocket League, guys. It's just that I'm trying to, like, I at least play Rocket League, like, maybe, I don't know, like, at least a couple matches each day. But that's only because, so I get used to it. Like, I don't want to lose my edge. Because if I lose my edge, then how am I supposed to look going on video for you guys? Like, right now, it looks like I'm losing my edge. Oh my god, no. Almost did, actually. So yeah, 2 out of 3. See if I can accomplish the team goal of 3 out of 3 games. Division 4, almost prospect, elite. So yeah, see you guys on the next match. Hopefully we can complete the goal. Hello guys, we are back. We are against a veteran. So some better competition. Even though I'm not saying the pro was, oh my god, wasn't competition since I did beat him by 1. But I am for sure this veteran will definitely have better competition. Okay, well, yep, as you can see, better competition. I don't expect many screw-ups from this veteran. So it means I need to be on my A game. So I want to make that 3 out of 3. I'm getting real close. I'm gonna stay back for this because he's gonna hit it. Okay, well, didn't expect. Oh god. Give a boost. Nope, that's not a goal. There you go. Center for. There you go. Finally. 2 shots on goal. I thought I had 3. I had like 3 mess ups. Oh well, who cares? There you go. Let's do this. Can't. No mistakes. Oh my god, like that. Anything else, a full boost. Like he did, he screwed up on his part because he thought he was going to ball me. And he did it. I'm actually glad. So my tactic is working. So if you guys want to request any other game than like probably GTA, because I don't want to really start recording that right now because there goes my mistakes. But still, like anything else than GTA, I would gladly love to do. Like I wouldn't care if I made another BO3 video. I am trying to make some Let's Plays, like I just said, Slime Rancher, but I have to pay for it, and who knows how long that will be. I'm gonna make some Roblox. I think I'm gonna try to get Overwatch. I'm not sure yet. I think I actually will, since it is trending right now. And Cade has been encouraging me to get it, because then it'll be another game me and Cade can play. Oh no, please. I don't want that tie, because I don't want to. So right now, he's the one that needs to score. I just gotta. Nope. Stop. Oh my god! We lost the stupid. Hey guys, sorry. I ran out of storage. I just edited it. You guys didn't really miss much. I basically the random scored on me, but then I just scored on him, like just as you guys just saw in the replay. With 27 seconds left. It wasn't really that long. It was really like maybe like a couple of seconds. No, it's 5-3. So yeah. This is the same guy. If you guys really go back before the video before this cut just happened, it literally is Brutal Raptor. So yeah. So I'm gonna go for the boost. I will now. Oh no! Well, it doesn't matter either way, but still. Gives false hope. Oh my god, guys, we finally reached it. It wasn't doubles, but I reached Prospect Elite for once. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to request any other game than GTA. I might be doing an MW Remastered campaign Let's Play. I'm not sure yet. I probably will. So see you guys on the next video.